Hey everybody, this is Praxis with a quick video about this tool that I use all the time. It's a small oven that sits right on top of a wood stove. I can just show you how it just lifts up right here. And I use this thing all the time throughout the winter. Whenever I have a wood stove and I want to bake something, it's a great asset because if you have a cooktop on your wood stove, that's great for boiling water, making soups, all that kind of stuff. But you can't necessarily bake right on top unless you have something like this. If you have a wood stove in your home and it has a cooktop, I would highly recommend getting one of these. I'm always using it. This is a very simple one. It just has a rickety little door that opens. It has a dial on the front that gives you a rough temperature. And inside right now, I've got lasagna baking. Great lasagna's been in there for several hours, and I can just leave it there without any regard for how much energy I'm using or whatever, because it's just, it's the energy of the wood stove. I think the only thing I pay for it is that there's a slight reduction in the efficiency of the heat transfer out of the wood stove because this kind of insulates this one section that it's on. But the majority of the heat still gets out into the house anyway. Great little device. If you like using a wood stove, try out one of these. I use mine all the time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos all the time. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can do so either through Patreon or PayPal.